Hey everyone and welcome to Just Dino Finance series. Let's assume that you are not a total beginner who can understand the general risk associated with the stock investment and aspire to invest in US stock. However, the overwhelming options available in choosing the US stockbrokers in Singapore is really one of the many reasons that holding most of us back in the US stock investment. Different from investing in Singapore stocks, whereby we will just have to pay for the broker's commissions plus trading and clearing fees of about 0.04% to SGX, investing in the US shares require a little bit more homework in terms of the fee structures that are offered by various brokers. Of course, choosing the broker firm should be very much aligned to your investment objective and strategy, as you may not want to end up with a scenario that the profit where you earn from the markets are all offset against your transaction costs, especially if you are a starter with limited capital on hand. Therefore, before we discuss further, first, think about the US share that you are planning to buy. Secondly, identify the frequency of trading in a month. And lastly, whether these US shares are distributing dividends. As a general rule, investment in the US shares will typically incur three types of fees. Firstly, the broker commissions, when you complete the share sales and purchase transactions. The second types of fees would be the custodian fees, representing the charge by your stockbroker for holding your shares on your behalf. And lastly, the dividend handling, or what we usually refer as corporate action fees. It is important to know certain brokers may charge fees on your net or gross dividend, and you might end up getting the amount lesser than expected after the withholding tax. Over here is a summary list of among the more popular stockbrokers in Singapore. There are actually various fee structures offered by different stockbrokers, so I just picked the fee structures that I think is good and applicable for new starter or small capital investors. In my view, if your concern is about stockbrokers' commissions, which is also the biggest part of the transaction cost, you may consider choosing interactive brokers, Saxo or Tiger brokers, so on and so forth. Choosing an appropriate stockbroker is very much depending on your personal investment strategy. For example, if you are a trader that trades more than 5 times in a month, then you may consider picking interactive brokers. Likewise, if you only trade like once a while and have a long-term investment horizon, you may probably consider Maybank, OCBC, or Citibank. I've personally tried trading US shares on Tiger Brokers, Standard Chartered, Interactive Brokers, and Saxo, and I do have some personal experience or qualitative considerations as tabulated below. While the transaction fees considerations may be crucial for most of us, other elements such as the ease of use, customer support, etc. may also be relevant in choosing your US stockbroker. That's all for my sharing, and I will talk to you again in the next video.